Now next is velocity time graph. First is object is at rest. If object is at rest means velocity is equal to 0. V equals to 0. Velocity is equal to 0 means graph is a line along the time axis. Here is 0. Number 2, uniform motion or constant velocity means V is equal to constant, means velocity remains the same. Question also comes, draw the velocity time graph and displacement time graph for constant velocity. We have already done the displacement time graph for uniform motion. This is a velocity time graph. It is a straight line parallel to time axis. Number 3, uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion means when the velocity increases or decreases by equal amounts in equal intervals of time. Suppose here we took 3 points. Here the velocity increases by equal amounts in equal intervals of time. Velocity increases by equal amounts in equal intervals of time. So here acceleration is constant. Uniformly accelerated motion. Here is a value of acceleration, but acceleration remains the same. Next is non-uniformly accelerated motion. Again, for non-uniform motion, it can be a curve upward or downward, or it can be a zigzag line. Here, slope of velocity time graph is equal to acceleration. Area under velocity time graph is equal to displacement. These are the two important points. Please learn these points. Slope of velocity time graph is equal to acceleration. मैंने आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन कर दिया हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द स्लोप ऑफ द ग्राफ. एरिया अंडर वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ एरिया इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. कंसिडर द ग्राफ ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. टेक एनी 2 points A and B on the graph. Draw dotted lines to cover the area under the graph between A and B. Now this is a shape of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Along length, velocity is given to you. Along breadth, time is given to you. So, area under VT graph is equal to velocity into time. बच्चों आपको वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम याद है क्या होता है? वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम एंड वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. देयरफॉर एरिया अंडर वीटी ग्राफ इज इक्वल टू displacement. Learn this point. This point is very important for further derivations and for numericals for graphs. You can take the another example for uniformly accelerated motion. Take 2 points. Calculate the area under the graph. This will be the area. This is a shape of trapezium. Or you can divide this area into 2 parts. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. If velocity time graph is given to you, area under that graph is equal to displacement.